What's up, family? We're back with another vlog.
It's your boy Nigel all the way from Las Vegas. And this vlog is a special edition for my little sister Julie's baby reveal.
What is going on, family? It's your girl Julie here. Taking over today's vlog. Well, not really taking over, but today is about this baby, this child number 2. So yeah, for some of you that don't already know, I'm just gonna place these guys here. Yes, and excuse my look right now. My face, this pregnancy, my face has been like breaking out. My skin has been so dry, it's not normal. My skin has been so dry, like I don't know what's going on, but this pregnancy feels so different compared to Lanston. Like it's so much more difficult, and yeah, I just feel like so much more heavier. Like not heavier, like I feel like my bump showed more often, which is kind of normal when you have your second baby. But yeah, like it's just so different compared to Lanston's pregnancy. So that's why some people think it's a girl, because of some symptoms, but you know, you never know. So today me and Sera are going to run some errands. I think she's getting ready. I just finished like having a shower and like chucking on whatever, because I don't really care at the moment. I'll put on makeup later on and get myself dolled up. But yeah, so today we find out the gender of our baby, which is so exciting. Lanston's in the front, he's napping, and BOTE is actually at work at the moment, so yeah, along with the boys. So yeah, me and Sera are gonna go run some errands, and you shall come along with us. So stay tuned for what's gonna happen later on, because Sera's the only one that knows our gender, so she'll be doing all of that, which she has to go get her stuff today. So if you think it's a boy or a girl, leave your comment down below. But yeah, bye guys. So it's currently 11:03. I told Sera to get ready at about, what time did I tell you to get ready?
10.
At like 10, and she's still just sitting here. I can't show you what she's looking like because she's a bit So sis, what time are you gonna get ready?
Hold on, sis. Let me just pin to Naomi. Wait, how do you say that name? Boy Nunu? Naomi Boy Nunu. I pinned your comment.
Yeah.
Yes, girl.
Tuxx and Sera gang, if you know, you fan pin this comment.
Yes.
So she sees you. Guys, don't think that she doesn't see the comments. She does.
I do. It's just that I don't have time to reply, but I'm working on that, so I'm replying now.
Yeah. So she's gonna do that, and then we're gonna go, right?
Yes.
Hi. The recording. Family, she's so nervous. I'm not. Can you wipe the lens? Hold on. Like, I don't care when people like look at me, but like I'm not a vlogger. Like I don't suit it. But yeah, guys, we're currently at Northlands. We had to come and get, what do we have to come and get? So we had to come and get Lanston's. So please stay tuned. It's Lanston's birthday tomorrow, but we're celebrating his birthday next week Saturday. So we are rocking our natural look. I rock the natural look all the time. Every time I come to shops, I need to get Lanston something like. Really? I have to. Okay, so we just did a little bit of Lanston's birthday shopping, and we're going to pay. So we just had to do a little bit of Lanston's birthday errands, and then cheap. $24. So after these errands, we're going to go and pick up the stuff that we're doing for the baby reveal. Julie, what do you think you're having? I don't know. I honestly don't know. But like, I'm not fussed. Like,
She thinks either one, she's going to be blessed.
Yeah.
I got her.
I'm literally pushing my baby stroller. Like, what is it? But I'm actually like so nervous because like what if it just pops and I'm right here?
It won't pop. We've got the bag of gender as well. I'm so excited. What's your feeling right now? Just nervous that it's gonna pop?
Yeah. I know it's gonna pop right before my eyes.
It says he or she pop to see. What up, guys?
Millie, Lanston. Millie. Pastia.
In the process of doing this gender reveal. Other strings. And just, yeah, balloons. Any last words?
No, except I'm going to be so grateful for whatever I have.
Yeah.
I don't care as long as the baby's healthy. And yeah.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. I think like girl. Because like she's like my skin is just something else.
She's going through different.
Yeah.
I don't know. So this is her bump right now.
Very big.
Yeah. So this is what we have, guys. If you want a party planner,
Yes, they're like that. Orange for.
if you want a party planner, hit up Sera and Tuxx, or Tuxx and Sera on YouTube.
I mean, Sera
Does it by and Sera does decorating. Just hit them up, Tuxx and Sera on YouTube. T&SFAM. Yeah, guys. So in case you're wondering who is that beautiful girl at the back of the camera, yeah, that's me. I'll record once, you know, we're ready to go.
You have your own thing and we
Oh wait, any last words, Teddy?
You know what, I asked Julie how she was feeling. She said that she was feeling heavy. So I'm pretty sure I remember my mum saying that my sisters gave her a hard time.
Oh,
So I think I'm
girl.
Is there a little box for Lanston?
Girl.
Or should we just put it in here?
Girl.
Yeah.
Mom, any last words?
I have no idea. Blues, pink.
But what do you think it is?
I think it's a boy.
Lanston, how you feeling?
What do you think it is? Ask them what do you think it is?
Well, how you feeling?
Boy or girl?
Lanston feels like only child. That's what he thinks it is.
Boy or girl, Lanston?
Lanston, boy or girl? Oh, he said papa, meaning fafa. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh, this is very unsafe.
Baby.
Now's the time.
Oh, you haven't done it yet?
No.
Yay! Where's your mom?
Where's mine? That's what
Where's your mom? Oh wait.
I don't know, because she's got the kids.
2, 3, good. So what do you think?
I think it's a girl.
So she look good.
I'm just gonna work. Oh, it's like I got a pedicure. I got a pedicure. Show off my toes.
What do you think it is?
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Yeah. Look.
Pick up.
Yay!
I'll pick up.
Oh my god, he's so scared. He's gonna
Pick up.
look at his
Chicken. You look so cute.
Alright. Let's go outside. Oh,
Chicken.
before we go outside, everyone just write what you think Julie and Jose are happy and Lanston.
Just take a photo.
Is it Bryce?
No.
Can you put it here?
Oh, she got
Yo, baby, which way are we supposed to left?
I think it's a boy. I think it's a girl.
I think it's a boy.
I think he's a girl. Dad. Everyone, this is Bote's mom, sister, and brother. Say hi to T&S family.
It's deadly now. He is in your front. Let's go there.
Okay, and just before we pop the balloon, I'm shattered that Bote caught me out. They're having twins. Okay, pop the balloon. No.
Wait.
You're lying. That's why you had 2 balloons. Go! You're having twins.
Oh!
You're having twins.
Damn!
Quick, Lanston stood up. Quick. Hold on, wait. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, guys. Are you sure twins or not? You're lying, eh? It's not twins, eh?
He really wanted twins. I was just pranking them. Oh, you got a baby sister, Lanston! Okay.
Thanks guys for watching this video. Thank you to our sister and our brother Tadi and Sera. We are so blessed that we're having a girl and we're so grateful. Thank you Jesus for another healthy child. We're so happy and yeah.
And I want you to like, subscribe to the channel, and get this video up to 1,000 likes. And peace out. And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Yeah.
And then there's us. Now get us. Now get us.
And behind the
Yeah. That's a wrap. That's a wrap, family.
Okay, ready? Let's take here.
Lanston.
Don't touch that. Quick update, guys. It started raining.
Look.
Yeah.
Now. Oh, my one was gathered.
Yeah, tell me when.
No, don't move the lighting. Don't move.
Can we go down?
Yeah, he's recording you. In front of her, honey. In front of her. He's laughing.
This is so
Don't move too
hard.
far.
We're not moving.
Okay. Yeah, you guys stay.
Royal camera.
Mingo stop.